Children, yesterday I was taught history lesson first as a revision, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Today, in this lesson, I will taught you Vienna Congress and after its matter. Look at the page number 15. Vienna Congress 1815. In 1815, representatives of European powers, Britain, Russia, Persia, and Austria, who had collectively defeated Napoleon, met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. The delegates drew up the Treaty of Vienna of 1815. The main object of Congress was to undo most of changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic War. Following were some of the proposals of the Congress. Restoration. The Bourbon dynasty which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power under the rule of Louis XVI. इसमें 18 लिखा हुआ है. France was deprived of all territories conquered by Napoleon. State set up. A series of states were set up on the boundaries of the France to prevent French expansion in future. The Kingdom of the Netherlands, which included Belgium, was set up in the north and Guyana was added to Piedmont in the south. Persia and Austria. Persia was given important new territories on the western frontier, while the Austria was given control of northern Italy. German Confederation status quo. The German Confederation of 39 states that had been set up by Napoleon was left untouched. Russia and Persia. In the east, Russia was given part of Poland, while Persia was given a portion of Saxony. Conservative order. The main purpose of the Congress was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. Now, rationaries. During the years following 1815, the fear of the repression drove many liberal nationalists underground. The main objective of rationaries were to oppose monarchical form that had been established after the Vienna Congress. Second, to fight liberal and freedom. To fight for liberty and freedom, most of these rationaries interpreted the creation of the nation-state as a necessary part of this struggle for freedom. The age of revolution. Liberalism and nationalism came to be increasingly associated with the revolution in many regions of Europe, such as the Italian and German states, the provinces of Ottoman Empire, Ireland and Poland. Upheaval in France. The first upheaval took place in France in July 1830. The July Revolution sparked an uprising in Brussels, which led to Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. Greek struggle. Now, the growth of revolutionary nationalism in Europe sparked up a struggle for independence among the Greeks, which began in 1821. Poets and artists appraised Greece as a cradle of European civilization and mobilized public opinion to support its struggle against a Muslim empire. Eventually, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as an independent nation. Now, the romantic imagination and national feeling. The development of nationalism owes not only the wars and territorial expansion but also to culture. It created the idea of the nation and art and poetry, stories and music help express and shape nationalist feeling. Romanticism, a cultural movement sought to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiment. The Romantic artists and poets criticized the glorification of region and sign. Instead, it focused on emotions, institution, and mystical feeling. They endeavored to create a sense of shared collective heritage, a common culture past as the basic of a nation. Other romantics, such as the German philosopher John Gottfried Herder, insisted on discovering true German culture among the common people or Daesh Wald. They, through folk song, folk poetry, and folk dance, popularized the true spirit of the nation. Emphasis on vernacular. The emphasis on vernacular language and the collection of local folklore was led for to recover an Asian national spirit, to carry the modern nationalist message to large audiences who were mostly illiterate, as in the case of Poland. It had been fashioned at the end of 18th century by the great power Russia, Persia, and Austria. Language and role of clergy. Language too played an instrumental role in developing nationalist sentiments. After the Russia had occupied Poland, the Polish language was forced out of school, and instead the Russian language was imposed everywhere. Role of clergy. In 1831, an armed rebellion against Russian rule took place, which was ultimately crushed. Following this, many members of the clergy in Poland began to use language as weapon of national resistance. Polish was widely used for church gathering and all religious instruction. Hence, a large number of priests and bishops were put in jail or sent to Serbia by the Russian authorities as punishment for their refusal to preach in Russia. Hunger and hardship, popular revolt. Now next day. Hunger, hardship, and popular revolt. Next day.